All right, our last book for today is called Earth's Water Cycle, and I'm only going to read these 2 pages to you. Okay, it says, how does the water cycle cause weather? The water cycle helps make weather. Earth has many types of weather. Storms happen on some days. The sky is blue on other days. Sometimes clouds cover the sky. The sun heats Earth's surface. Some parts of the Earth's surface get more heat than other parts. The different amounts of heat cause wind. Wind is part of weather. The sun causes wind by warming the air. Then the hot air rises. Cold air moves where the warm air was. Wind happens because cold air follows hot air. All right, so think about some of those key words you heard in there and tell me what text structure it is and explain why and how you know.